What's up, guys? Opie here. Welcome back to my Brew City Garden. Hey, today I've got a treat and a couple of links, some things I want you to check out if you're located in the Southern Hemisphere. So I'm talking to my friends in Australia, in South Africa, and in South America. Uh, so it's the seasons are turning here. It's late August in the Northern Hemisphere, and here in Zone 5 in Wisconsin in the United States, the summer's winding down. We're heading towards fall. The garden's going to start dying off, and here in a couple of months, the snow is going to be flying here. Ugh, jeez. But if you're in the northern hemisphere and you still need to get your gardening fix, look no further. Look south. All right, so the southern hemisphere right now, their spring is upon them. It's about time to get the garden set up and to get the early spring planting started. So with that, I want to mention a great website and a great YouTube channel called Bale Gardening Australia, and it's run by Christine. Now, Christine lives in Urana in New South Wales in Australia. And I've got to give her a shout out because she's got, not only does she have a YouTube channel, and some of the photos and the videos that she puts up are just beautiful. She's got an amazing garden out in the country. But I also want to shout her out because she hosts workshops. So not only does she have her online website, but you can actually visit her property in New South Wales and attend a workshop. So get a group of you guys together. If you're traveling, if you're in the area, you can stop by there and get hands-on experience on how to grow a straw bale garden. How cool is that? So not only through the website, you can attend a workshop and get a great lunch while you're at it, but once you attend the class, you also have access to ebooks, learning materials. And Christine, if you've got any questions, you've attended her workshop, she'll follow up. Any questions you've got, any issues you've got, just get a hold of her and she'll be more than happy to answer her questions along with the rest of the gardening community, myself included. So I want you to check out the links that I leave below for the Straw Bale Gardening Australia YouTube channel, social media links, and most importantly, the website where you can visit, you can schedule a workshop, you can visit her online store, and you can even pick up an ebook. And trust me, I have got a couple of these ebooks, and the information in them is everything you need to start your own straw bale garden. So for those of you in the Southern Hemisphere that are getting ready to get started and you're thinking about straw bale garden, check out the website below, and I guarantee you're going to find exactly what you need to get started for the year. It's a great, comprehensive website with everything from tools to ebooks to everything you're going to need. Now, Christine and I have been talking back and forth for a few months now, and she was kind enough to send me some seeds. Let's check these out. So the seeds that she sent me are a cross between Brussels sprouts and kale, which is, it's kind of cool. When I look at the pictures online, it looks like a Brussels sprout plant, except for the little sprouts are like little kale sprigs. It's the coolest thing I've ever seen. So I'm really looking forward to getting these things sown in the spring. We kind of discussed whether or not I could get away with doing it here in the winter, but here in Zone 5 in Wisconsin, our winters can get as cold as sometimes 30 degrees below zero, which is extremely cold. Nothing will survive that unless I had probably at least two, maybe three coverings of some sort. So, okay, so here it says Brew Kale, aka Kaleettes. So that's what the seeds are. And I can't wait to give these a try. It's going to be awesome. And so next year, we're going to do a comprehensive review of the Kaleettes. So I'm really looking forward to that. And the cool thing is these seeds were ordered from Australia, and it looks like they were shipped out of Croatia all the way here to Wisconsin in the U.S. It is cool. And in 20 years ago, could you have imagined this? Without having to send snail mail letters to somebody back and forth, it could have taken months for something like this that only happened in a couple of weeks. Super cool. So again, I want to thank Christine, and I want to encourage everybody to go check out Straw Bale Gardening Australia. Hey, if you're a dedicated straw bale gardener and you host a website or workshops or classes somewhere in your little part of the world, and you'd like me to do a little shout out, get a hold of me in the notes below, or you can get a hold of me on Facebook at Brew City Gardener, or even check out our collaborative uh, Facebook group, the Global Straw Bale Gardeners Collective, and you can find Christine there as well. And any questions you need answered, for sure, we would be happy to address for you. All right, guys, thanks again for joining me here again today at the Brew City Garden. And do me a favor, go check out Straw Bale Gardening Australia. Awesome website, all kinds of resources. You won't be disappointed. Hey, tell her Brew City Gardener sent you. All right, guys, make sure you check them out. We'll see you.